are going to love the 2019 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power driver's seat, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, hands-free link system, cruise control, auto headlight on/off, climate control, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price House Cars.